guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to create a ninja bun tutorial. So guys, if you want to see how I created this ninja bun tutorial, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, I've already combed my hair, okay, and apply my hair cream and hair conditioner, okay. Spray some water, okay, using a little spray bottle filled with water. So guys, I'm going to massage the water into my hair, okay. So guys, now I'll be applying some hair gel, okay. You can make use of any hair gel of your choice or any one you have. So guys, using some gel, I'm going to apply some gel onto my hair, okay. So guys, you don't need as much gel as I'm making use of, okay. You can just make use of a little gel, okay, but because I want my hair to be sleek, so guys, using a hairbrush, I'm going to brush my hair, okay, to make sure that I'm going to brush it properly, okay. Using a ponytail holder, I'm going to fold my hair into a ponytail. Guys, using some bobby pin, I'm going to pin down my hair, okay. We'll be going over to the edges, some toothbrush and some gel in it. I'm just going to kind of try to lay my edges, okay. All you need to do is make use of what you've got, make use of the hair gel you have, okay, make use of the type of comb you have or hairbrush. Guys, now we'll be using some attachments, okay, of braiding hair. Okay, this is a normal attachment. I'm using a ponytail holder. I'm just going to cross it over, okay. Guys, so this is how it is now. This is how it looks. And so guys, because we'll be making a ninja bun tutorial, okay guys, I'm going to place the ponytail holder onto my hair and then fold it over just like this, okay. So guys, after that, I'm going to separate the hair into two like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling one part of the hair first, okay. I'm just going to start folding it like this. So guys, once you are done folding it, okay, you just need to then holding this one a little bit up, move it around your hair just like this, okay guys. So guys, ninja bun is one of my favorites and easy hairstyle to do. Using a bobby pin, okay, you just need to pin it down to secure the hair to secure the attachment, okay. And now guys, for this one we are still going to do the same thing over to this one. Fold it just like this or roll it And now guys, we are going to go on top of it like this. Okay, make sure the hair doesn't lose, holding it tight. Okay, pin down the remaining part of the hair using some bobby pin. So guys, this is the finished hair. Okay, so guys, don't forget to check out my video on how I created this makeup look. Okay guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. Thank you.